Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need the Google app and a launcher that supports widgets. First, open Settings and confirm your default Home app. If it's a custom launcher, switch temporarily to a launcher that supports widgets. Next, open Apps, find Google, and ensure it has widget and storage permissions. Once done, update the Google app in Play Store so the latest widget version is installed. Now go to your home screen and long press an empty spot to start adding the Google search widget. After entering widget mode, scroll to the Google or Search widget collection. You must drag the search bar widget onto the home page, drop it where you want search access. Make sure to release it on a stable grid cell. Some launchers restrict placement. Once placed, press and hold the widget to reveal resize handles and an options gear if available. Configure voice search, lens, or show /hide app shortcuts to match your workflow, because those options control how the bar behaves. Finish by locking your home layout if your launcher has that option, or set the current launcher as default so the Google bar stays put. If the bar disappears, open Settings Apps Google and clear cache, then check for and install updates or reinstall the app. As a last resort, switch briefly to the device's stock launcher, add the Google bar there, then return to your preferred launcher. This often restores the widget placement and solves hidden compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.